In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best smart vacuum cleaner in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which smart vacuum cleaner is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, INSE Vacuum Cleaner. Amazing powerful suction. This cordless vacuum cleaner has a 180-watt motor that is powerful and strong. It can capture pet hair, cat food, and other messes on hardwood floors, carpets, stairs, curtains, furniture, cars, RVs, and more. The cordless vacuum produces less heat and noise, making it quieter. Large capacity battery and 1.2L large dustbin. The cordless vacuum comes with a 6-cell battery of 2200 mAh and a large dust cup measuring 1.2L. These two components work together to clean 180 square meters of your house in 45 minutes. You can either charge the stick vacuum integrated battery or the battery separately by removing the battery. Multifunctional cleaning. This versatile cordless vacuum comes with multiple accessories such as a 2-in-1 brush and a long crevice and an extensible tube. It can clean a variety of household surfaces, including stairs, windowsills, couches, beds, curtains, cars, RV, and more. 5-stage high-efficiency filtration systems. This 5-stage fully sealed cyclone filter system has a HEPA filter with mesh filter, stainless steel strainer, and cyclone separation. The cordless stick vacuum cleaner can capture 99.99% of microscopic dust particles, as small as 0.02 microns. This helps to prevent secondary pollution. Here is the item number 4, FABULETTA Vacuum Cleaner. 24 kilopascals hurricane suction and easy rest design. The 250-watt brushless motor has been upgraded to produce a high-speed airflow that can provide crazy suction up to 24 kilopascals in maximum mode. You can switch between 3 suction speeds to suit your cleaning needs for sofas, hardwood floors, marble floors, fluffy rugs, tile floors, and rugs. Detachable, large capacity and lightweight. The carpet cleaner vacuum can run for up to 45 minutes at standard speed. Max speed allows for about 15 minutes of deep cleaning. You can charge the battery separately or directly on the main body. Flexible motorized leather floor rush, swivels 180 degrees inward and 90 degrees upward and downward so you can clean all areas of your home. The flexible roller is tangle-free and rolls dirt up. 3 LED lights illuminate dark areas and help to track dirt and dust. LED display and high-efficiency filtration system. The FABULETTA FSV 101 cordless vacuum has an LED display that shows the suction level, brush cleaning indication, and HEPA filter cleaning indicator. The item number 3, Proscenic Vacuum Cleaner. The large 2200 mAh battery provides up to 60 minutes of runtime for the wireless vacuum cleaner. It can be recharged separately using the removable battery. The runtime will double if you purchase an additional battery. 30,000 pascal strong suction, 450-watt powerful motor with 3 levels of suction, up to 30 kilopascals. High-efficiency vacuum to remove food and pet hair. This vacuum is perfect for seniors and women, as it can be used on both hard floors and carpets. It can also be used in your vehicle. Smart app display and smart service. The smart cordless vacuum can be connected to the Proscenic app via Bluetooth to monitor your cleaning reports and check for faults. There is also troubleshooting support and online customer service to help you resolve issues faster. Touchscreen and LED display. Large, touchscreen LED control panel allows you to easily adjust the vacuum power or check the status of the vacuum cleaner. Number 2 in our list, Kenmore Vacuum Cleaner. 40-minute runtime. The 21.6V rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes continuous runtime and conveniently stores on a wall-mounted bracket so that it can be charged and ready for cleaning. Voltage, 21.6V. Less than 5 ounces, the 2-in-1 stick vacuum is super light and perfect for cleaning above floors or moving up and down stairs. Cordless vacuum, 2 speed modes. With 8,000 PA of powerful suction, your home is thoroughly cleaned without the need for a cord. You can choose between ECO or high-speed modes to quickly pick up tile, hardwood floors, linoleum, and carpet. HEPA filtration. A HEPA filter is an extra layer of filtration that captures 99.97% dirt. Bagless designs have a dirt cup that is easy to empty and has a capacity of 0.6 L. Battery status meter. LED lights in bright colors indicate battery level and charge, motor speed, and more. Go cordless stick vacuum is the ultimate in quick cleaning. It weighs in at less than 5 pounds and is featherlight. The top one in our list, ORFELD vacuum cleaner. Super quick and thorough cleaning. The ORFELD cordless vacuum cleaner has 28,000 pascals suction in max mode. This is equivalent to a traditional canister vacuum cleaner. It instantly captures pet hair, fine dust, debris, and large particles on carpets and hardwood floors. 2.0x more runtime than Dixon. The ORFELD cordless vacuum cleaner uses a 6-cell Japanese lithium-ion Japanese battery that has a capacity of 2,200 mAh per cell. This gives it a longer working life than Dixon. Smart LCD display and 4 LED floor head. In real time, you can see the remaining power, the fullness of the dust cup, and whether or not the brush roll has become clogged. The 2-in-1 electric toothbrush has a 180 degrees rotating function that can clean blind corners under furniture. Ultra quiet. The ORFELD stick vacuum cleaner has been upgraded with a 200W brushless motor. This reduces noise and carbon brush friction. It also generates less heat. With a lifespan of 8 to 10 years, the ORFELD cordless vacuum cleaner has a 100,000 RPM fan speed. Even with low batteries, there is no loss in suction power. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best smart vacuum cleaner amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.